This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Okay, so I've created the gallery. This one we've added with the block. With block, yeah, we just do like this. So we choose like gallery and a carousel. So I've added it, right? How do we remove this arrows? Pretty simple way. We hit one more time. Hit edit, design, and show next previous controls. If it's checked, we just uncheck it, and no more arrows. Okay. The second way, it's like we can disable it from the menu, or so again, gallery show arrows, just uncheck and hit save, and everything will be fine. We could also reach the same result with CSS, with some custom CSS, but it's the simplest solution. Thank you so much.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.